Are you drowning in clutter at home or struggling to manage waste at your Dayton, Ohio business? Say goodbye to the chaos and hello to simplicity with Anna's Dumpster Rental. Our services offer a hassle-free solution to all your cleanup needs. Whether you're tackling a major home renovation project, decluttering your space, or handling construction debris, we've got you covered. With Anna's Dumpster Rental, you can wave goodbye to the stress of waste management and reclaim control over your space. Ready to experience the ease of cheap dumpster rental in Dayton, Ohio? Call 937-704-3069 or visit our website at annasdumpsterservice.com to explore our range of dumpster sizes and pricing options. With flexible rental periods and transparent pricing, we make it easy for you to find the perfect dumpster for your project without breaking the bank. Let Anna's Dumpster Rental be your trusted ally in waste management. Don't let clutter and waste hold you back any longer. Take charge of your cleanup journey with Anna's Dumpster Rental today. Whether revamping your home or managing waste at your business, our dedicated team is here to provide prompt, reliable service. With our commitment to sustainability and customer satisfaction, you can always trust Anna's Dumpster Rental to deliver an exceptional experience. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to simplicity with Anna's Dumpster Rental, your go-to solution for cheap dumpster rental in Dayton, Ohio.